So today was a vending committee meeting. Now, as you all know, we have a lot of street vendors that we need to accommodate. So in addition to that, also we want to accommodate this street clean food hub also. That's been mandated by our honorable Prime Minister. Now Goa does not have one as of yet. So now that was part of our discussions. We wanted to set up like an entertainment zone also in the city, which we are lacking. As you know, nothing happens in Panjim in the night. This place is entirely dead. Everyone has to go outside Panjim for any sort of entertainment. So we were hoping to get something like an zone done in Pato, where you would have vendors, you would have entertainment, where you would have different people from Panjim basically that would get to benefit, shopkeepers, restaurants. And we were hoping to do that area now because it doesn't really bother anyone. There are no residents that are staying in the area. It can cater to a lot of people. People of Panjim will benefit. People of Goa will also benefit. That was part of a thing. Another thing was a ban on single-use plastics also. Now Panjim is trying for this 7-star Water Plus rating. So that is basically the highest rating that the country has. There are only 2-3 cities in India that have that rating. So Panjim is trying that, and part of this we have certain commitments also. One is a ban on single-use plastics, on sanitary waste, on a lot of other stuff also. So those are the basics of our discussion yesterday.
Any vending zones have been identified?
So now today we've discussed with the vendors. They've given us a list. For example, there's something. The National Theatre was one of them. Then Joggers Park, different areas. So we will have to send this to the collector, and the collector will have to notify that area. And
what about the parking side? There will be no problem.
No, so that is what I'm saying. No. So even if we notify an area, we'll have to check and see how many vendors we can accommodate. Now certain areas will be able to accommodate 10, 15. Some will only be able to accommodate 2 or 3. But the problem is to spread them out evenly throughout the city, so it won't cause a traffic jam in one single area. So as of now, Pata is the only place that we can accommodate sort of a lot of people also. But as the cart stand.
So what is the total number of vending zones that you all are looking at?
See, my thing now is to basically fit the existing vendors that we have. So we'll have to create that many zones. So like I said, it won't be 10 people in one zone. Some places will be 2 people or 3 people or 4 people, something like that. So depending on how many people we have, we'll have to try and accommodate the majority of them.
So registered vendors, how many you all have?
See, as of now, on the prior list, there are around 92. But those are also the ice cream guys, plus fruit vendors, plus all of that. So I'm talking mostly about the Belpuri guys and the Rasamla guys and the people serving food. So now why we want to do the clean street food hub thing is also we want to bring them under a standardized set of rules. For example, safety should be a major aspect of it. Cleanliness should be a major thing. You shouldn't basically cause any chaos to the people in those surrounding areas. So everyone should know that whenever they come to eat in So where the existing infrastructure is there, that's where we want to keep it.
Then parking will be the issue, no?
But Pata is huge, man. You can accommodate how many thousands of cars can fit into Pata. So we are talking not full Pata. So only that Seza got till about spaces